Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Ikea, and I thought I would bring you guys along. We are trying to find some curtains for our living room and our dining room. I'm actually going to be switching out the ones that we currently have in our living room and putting them in the guest bedroom. So hopefully we find our curtains. The website said that they were in stock at the Ikea in Ottawa, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna cross our fingers that they are, so that we can finally have some curtains in our dining room and our guest bedroom. So I thought I would bring you guys along, and we are obviously stopping at Starbucks this morning because why not? We want to get coffee from Starbucks. It's like our little tradition now. We get Starbucks once a week on my off day, which is today this week. And I also have another recipe that I really want to share with you guys. Well, it's not really a recipe, it's just a fun lunch idea that I thought I would share with you guys, so stay tuned for that. Alright, we just went to Starbucks and I want to show you guys what we got. So I got the salted caramel sweet cream cold brew. Oh my god, that was a long name. And it is so good. Actually, I like it a lot. And Alex got the, I'm not sure, I think we messed up his order. It's like a vanilla, it was supposed to be a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, but I think it was like vanilla sweet cream cold foam cold brew, something like that. I don't know, but it's really yummy. So we got our Starbucks and we are heading to Ikea now. What? Oh, it's fine. I'll take care of it. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. We made it to Ikea.
Yes.
We're gonna go around.
We're in the small little bachelor.
Yeah, we're in the small little bachelor. It's tiny.
It's tiny. I would go crazy.
But yeah, we're going to go around because we like doing that. There's a lot of people, so I might not vlog too much, but hopefully we find our curtains, because that would be great, so that we finally get curtains for our apartment. We're currently looking at desks because the one that we wanted to get originally is discontinued now. Yeah. So we have to find another one, and I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on a desk. Like, I don't want to. So we're trying to find one that we like, but that's not too expensive, and that's also in stock, so that we can get one for like maybe within the next 2 months.
Yeah, I would like to. It would be fun.
Because he does online schooling, and he does tutoring from home, and he doesn't have a desk, so I think that would be next priority, finding desks. All right, we're gonna keep going, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, I'm not focused, but we did end up finding the curtains, so we're gonna be able to put our curtains up this afternoon. I'm so excited. And now we're heading home, and we got a couple other things, so I'll do a little haul once we get home, but we only got like 2 other things, but I'll still show you. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, we are back home, and I know you guys are kind of crooked. You are standing on my couch right now, so I apologize for that. I thought I would do a little haul of what we got at Ikea. We only got 3 things, but I'm gonna show you guys. So first off, we got this like garlic crusher, because we just don't have any, so I decided to get one because I think it's kind of a kitchen essential. So got one of these. Then we've got these curtains right here, the Lenda curtains. We got them in the 55 inches by 98 inches. We're gonna put these in our living room and in our dining room. And we actually got 4 packs of 2 because we have double curtain rods. So we might be putting 2 layers on each curtain rod, and if we end up not doing that, then I'm going to return them. That is no big deal for me. So we've got 4 of those, and then I got this. I'm not even gonna attempt to say the name, but it's just a drawer divider that I'm gonna put in our first drawer with like all our utensils in it. So I'm excited to do that. I think we're gonna try to put the curtains up right now, so I'll show you guys what they look like once they're up. We're gonna do the living room ones, and maybe the dining room ones will be later this afternoon. We shall see. All right, you guys, we're still figuring out how we're gonna place the curtains, so I'm gonna show you guys that later, but right now I'm gonna make lunch. I'm pretty hungry, so I thought I would bring you guys along to make lunch, so let's make lunch together. All right, so for lunch we are going to be making Greek wraps with some tzatziki, some cucumbers, some lettuce, a bit of onion, and some chicken. So let's start prepping. First things first, I'm gonna cook this chicken. I'm going to pat it dry, add some salt, some pepper, and then this Greek style seasoning that I found at Walmart the other day. So let's start off with that, and then I'm going to cut up the cucumber, some lettuce, and a bit of onion. I don't want too much because I don't want it to be too strong, but I think it's gonna be really good in the wrap. So let's make lunch. All right, you guys, I've got my chicken, my lettuce, and my onion. My cucumber was actually no good no more, so I threw it out. But I'm gonna make my wrap, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I really gotta go. I have something planned this afternoon that I gotta go do. So let's make this wrap. I forgot to show you guys what it looked like before I rolled it up, but basically I put the tzatziki on the bottom, then I added the onions, lettuce, and then some chicken. So I'm gonna eat this, and I'm gonna head out the door. What is up, you guys? I am back home from that thing that I needed to go to, but I am back a little later than I thought I would be. It is already, I think, almost 6. Yeah, it's almost 6. But I did put up the curtains in the living room. The only thing is we have a double pole in the living room right now, and I think we're gonna switch it out and put just a single pole in the living room. I think that'll just look so much better because we tried doing like double the curtains, and it's just really not that cute. It's very bunched up. It looks really thick. It's just really not that nice. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Just keep in mind that we are probably gonna switch the poles, and I'm also gonna put a single pole in, simple, like just one pole in the dining room also. So yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, you guys can literally not see that well, but these are the curtains. I think they look so cute. Let me try to get some better lighting. I'm so sorry, the lighting is so bad. But if this can give you an idea of what it looks like, it looks really good. I really like it. The only thing is they're very long at the ends. So we're gonna have to trim those, but not right now. We're gonna leave it like this for now. And I'm gonna close them so you can see what they look like when they're closed. All right, so this is what it looks like when they're closed. So they're not very thick. Like they're thick, so I don't think anyone's gonna be able to see in the apartment, but they're not like super thick where no light comes in, but I still like the way they look. As I said, they really need to be trimmed at the bottom, and I really do think that once they are trimmed at the bottom, they'll look so much better, but I love the overall look of them. All right, so I'm gonna go get dinner ready, and also I really wanna place the new drawer divider in our first drawer. So I'm gonna show you guys a before and an after. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start dinner, and I'm gonna do that at the same time. All right, so this is the before, and this is the after. I love how this turned out. The only thing is my forks don't fit like this, so I had to put them like this, which is kind of weird, but that's totally fine. Also, I'm not gonna put them in a big one like this because they're just gonna move so much around, and I've got a lot of knives and other stuff that can go in there. And I could probably get one of those individual big ones to put at the back over here, and it would probably fit. So we'll see if I decide to do that or not, but for now I just added like random trinkets at the back. But this looks so good. I'm really happy with how this turned out. You guys, I wanted to show you what the curtains look like at night, and this is what they look like. They look super nice. We actually fixed the pole, but let me explain to you guys what we actually ended up doing. All right, so basically what we did is we have 4 windows that we need to have curtains on, including the door to the patio and the dining room. So we have 2 double poles and then 2 single poles. So what we did is one of the single poles is in our bedroom. It stayed there, we didn't touch it. Then in the living room we have the double pole, and even though we're only using one of the poles, I think it looks really nice because since there's 2, it comes out a lot more. And since our window is kind of like in a little den of its own, I think it just makes it stand out, which I really like. Then we put the double pole that we had not opened yet in the guest bedroom, and we put the gray curtains and the white ones that we had in the living room in the bedroom. I'll show you guys in a bit. And now we're going to set up the single pole in the dining room and put the white Ikea curtains that I got today on that. And so we still have 2 more packs of curtains that we're not going to be using, but I'm thinking that we're just gonna keep them. And then if we decide that we want to change the curtains later on, we'll have them. Or if we just want to change the ones that we have right now because let's say they get stained or something happens to them, then we'll have a spare pair. So I think we're just gonna keep them. They were so cheap. Also, sorry about the noise. My cat is playing with a styrofoam thingy from the curtain box. But yeah, we're gonna keep them instead of just returning them. They were $30 each, so I really don't care about keeping them. All right, you guys, I was craving a sweet snack, so I decided to make the chocolate covered bananas with coconut that I made in my last video. And honestly, you guys, they are so freaking good. I definitely recommend you guys try these out. You can also make this with like strawberries or like any other fruit that you guys like. But yeah, I just really like these, so I definitely recommend. Also, I'm really sorry about my dishwasher making a lot of noise in the background if you guys can hear that. What is up, you guys? I'm currently editing this vlog, and once again I forgot to end it off, so I'm ending it off here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.